Hi, modern day demand planning is beyond quantitative analysis. It considers factors of revenue and expenditures, which supports availability of inventories, manage external incentives, and plan margins. And finally, lets enterprises gain maximum profits. So let's take a quick look on planning your demand during promotional sales using ValQ. A design structure like this would help us to get the drivers of revenue and expenses and key deliverables on one page. ValQ's user interface helps creating multiple submodels, customize your simulation period, and value display. Moreover, you can select and showcase your enterprise's KPIs, key inputs, and constraints which needs to be monitored. Another great and well-known feature of ValQ is the way it supports handling multiple scenarios and what-if analysis. When planning a demand, let's say we increase the promo discounts and also increase the demand quantity. We can see the impact of simulation leads to change in its dependent node. Another scenario, which is related to expenses, what we get is better result after reducing the cost of goods sold impact. Now, by comparing the scenarios, an enterprise can take decision and select one which favors the business more. Finally, you can share this ValQ visual with other team members or cross functions by publishing it on Power BI services. ValQ lets planners have the necessary demand drivers and key deliverables available on one page so that a scenario-driven planning can also be done for promotional sales. Log on to ValQ.com and watch the series of short videos made in 3 parts that explains this case study in detail. Explore ValQ today and learn how planning can be done on the fly.